if you're looking for a 4K dashcam that is under $50, in today's video we're gonna test this iZeeker ID400, and this is a 4K dashcam, and in today's video we're gonna test it, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna see the video resolution, and we're gonna see how good it is. Coming up next. And also we have a giveaway. At the end of the video we're gonna give the information, so let's continue with the video. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. It's a 4K camera, the brand is iZeeker. Okay, so it comes with the suction cup mount for the camera. It's adjustable, and this is the camera. It's one channel camera. The menu is on the side, on the back the screen. Here the slot for the micro SD card is included, the slot for the mount, the connection for the charger, and here USB-C connection, and it has an extra connection for the rear camera, but this one is only front view, front camera. Okay, it's nice. This is the power cable with a cigarette lighter connection and USB-C connection. Comes with a trim tool, cable USB-C to USB-A to connect it to the computer, and one clip, this one, to reset the camera. And that's everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, we're ready. It's already installed. So let me disconnect it and connect it again, and let's connect it again. Okay, so now is this one touchscreen? No, so we have to use the buttons. Okay, so English, enter. The date, no, this is 24. Okay, let's see, 24. And the month is 1, enter, and today is 28, 26 today. That's right. When recording, screen turn on after 1 minute. That's okay. Format, delete, okay. Format the SD card, okay. Cool. It's ready. So this one is a 4K camera. You can see it here. So let's see the menu. Okay. The first button, it has 4 buttons on the side, and in here it shows, it will tell you what it is. Okay, so the top one, I think is to lock the video. Yeah, or take a screenshot. Yeah, it takes a screenshot. And then the second one, I think is the menu, but let's go to the third one. Yeah, to turn on and off the audio. And this one is the menu. Yeah, and the last one in the bottom is to lock the video, to lock the video of the one is recording right now. If you're in an accident, just click this button to lock the video, but I don't want to do it right now. Okay, so now let's go to the menu, and in this one has a video and photo. You can change from video is right there, video mode, and then you can switch to photo. It's gonna be taking only photos, but I don't want to do that. I want it in video. Okay, let's do it in video mode, and let's go back to the menu, and to see the videos, go to the playback and then click enter. And here you can see the emergency recording, normal recording. The emergency recording is the ones you lock with the button, or it will lock if it feels that you are in an accident. Okay, so let's go to the normal, and the videos are right there, and you can see the photos. I don't know if I took the picture. No files. Yes, let's go back, and now let's go to the setup. Enter. Camera settings, enter, is the one on the bottom. And then first one, the resolution, you can choose from 4K, 2K, 1080p, and 1080p 60 and 1080p 30 frames per second. So we're gonna leave it in 4K. Image size for the picture is 13 megapixels, and you can choose right there different sizes. Loop recording is 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 3 minutes. I'm gonna leave it in 1 minute for now. Okay, the next one is image rotation. If the camera is upside down, you can rotate the image there, but this one is fine. You can turn on and off the audio right there, so that's okay. I'm not gonna change it. The G sensor is low. You can change it if you want to low, medium, or high, or you can turn it off. I'm gonna leave it in low. Parking monitor, if you want the camera to record 24 hours, but for that you will need a hard wiring kit that it will give power to the camera 24 hours. But this one, it will turn off when the car is off, so you will need hard wiring kit for that. Wide dynamic range, this one is when it's too bright or too dark, it will make the video better. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on for now. The exposure, I'm gonna leave it in 0. I don't wanna move it right now. The encoding format H265, for now I'm gonna leave it like that because I don't wanna change that. And that's it for the video settings. Let's go back to now system settings. Okay, the first one is to format the SD card. You can change it there. This one to auto turn off the camera. I'm gonna leave it in 1 minute to turn off the camera or go to sleep. Okay. And the next one, screensaver. Yeah, it will turn off the screen, but it still is gonna be recording for 1 minute. That's good for me. The beep sound is on. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. I don't wanna move it. The boot sound, when the camera turns on, you can turn it on and off right there. Language, English, that's good for me. Frequency, 60 Hertz. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. The date, we already changed that. The date stamp on the video, we're gonna leave it on for now. License plate, you can put the license plate of your car in the camera if you want, and I don't want to do that. License, the same one, license plate, and then you can change everything to the default settings in there, but we're gonna leave it like that. I don't want to do that right now. And this is the version of the camera, and that's everything for the system settings. Okay, so this one doesn't have a Wi-Fi, so this one you cannot connect it to an app. So the only way to download the videos, you have to remove the micro SD card, or you can remove the camera and connect it to your computer. Okay, it's a little bit disappointing that this one doesn't have a Wi-Fi, because this one is a 4K camera. Okay, but probably it's because of the price that doesn't have a Wi-Fi. Okay, but now let's see the videos, the day view and night view, the video resolution. Let's do that next. Alright, so let's start with the videos. This is the day view for the front camera. This is only one channel, so only front camera. The resolution is 4K, but as you can see, it looks pretty good. Everything is very clear because it's a 4K. It's amazing. The license plate is readable. This one is a little bit dark, but even in real life it was dark because he had a cover. But everything is super clear, clean, easy to see. So for the front camera, it's amazing. I like it. Okay, and now let's see the night vision front camera. The resolution is 4K. Okay, as you can see, it has night vision. It has HDR on the resolution, and everything looks pretty good. It is raining, so it's affecting a little bit the view, but even with the rain, the license plate is visible. You can see the cars, everything. The resolution is pretty good because in a 4K everything is clear. Even as you can zoom in with this video and you can see a little bit better the view. Okay, so the camera is good, the price is good, it's under $50, that is great. So I'm gonna put the link of this camera on the description of the video down below. And now that you already saw the features, the video resolution, you can decide if you wanna get this camera. Okay, let me know what you guys think on the comments. Let me know what camera are you using right now also. Okay, so if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. And now we're gonna see the giveaway, because we have a giveaway and the information is coming up right now. Okay, so this is the giveaway. I'm gonna put the images of the camera over here. So the rules for the giveaway: you have to like this video, okay? You have to put a comment in this video and you have to be subscribed to the channel, okay? And also this is only for the USA subscribers. Sorry for the international, but this is only for the USA. It's very simple, okay? And on the next video we're gonna announce the winner. Good luck for the giveaway. Thank you for supporting the channel. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Like this video. Thank you. See you on the next video, and God bless you too. Peace. Bye.